Get ready with me as I show you step by step on how I make this delicious meat pie. My correct people, I go in with my wheat flour. This is me sieving it to remove every blue. My correct people, I added my baking powder and my salt. No, so I mix everything together. Yes, I make sure that I mix everything. This is my rama, that is butter. So I go in with my butter. This is 250 grams of butter, but I made use of more than half. So I mix everything together. As you can see, keep on watching this video and see the step by step. So make sure that you mix together. I put in my egg. It is optional. Some people, they don't put egg, but I love putting egg because I want that egg is soft eating. So that's how I like it. Then you make use of your milk. It is optional. You can use water to mix it, okay? Because I want it to be rich. That's why I use my milk. So I mix every goody as you can see me. So keep on watching this video as I melt my dough. Look at it. I have formed my dough as you can see. My correct people, I did not add sugar. You can add sugar if it is public consumption, you want it to sweet. You can equally add sugar at home, but me, I don't like adding sugar. So guys, I kept it aside. Then I went in with my vegetable oil. I put in my onions and I put in my mixed meat. This is a blended meat. Yes, I got it from ShopRite. Okay. Guys, I mix it. This is garlic. It is optional. I just put little because it is family consumption. You can skip it, okay? So this is my curry, very much important. My coriander. You can go in with your thyme, okay, or rosemary. I don't have it. So guys, I put in my potato, my carrot. I turn everything. I go in with my bell pepper. Yes, so my green pepper and my red pepper. I mix everything together, and this is my Maggi for taste. You gotta go. Yes, so my correct people, I mix everything together. Keep on watching. I mix everything together. I've added my salt. Now the next thing is to go for my banding. What did I use for banding? That is a little flour with water. I mix, then I added it together. I mix everything together, as you can see, for it to bind so that it will not be, falling out. So I go in with my soya sauce. It's optional. Okay, good. I check and everything is okay. I've added my salt. Sorry, I skipped the video. So guys, I left it to cool. Then I put flour on the flour. Then I mix. I melt it and start to cut. This is me bringing out the balls, as you can see. I would like you to watch the rest of the video. This is me greasing my pan, as you can see. So keep on watching the rest of the video. Don't forget to share me out, and do not forget to follow for more lifestyle. With your love, we're never alone. She wears a crown made of stars above, giving her heart, pouring out love. A mother, a partner, standing so tall. With every smile, she answers the call. So here's to Lady G. In all that she does, a beacon of hope. She's our heart's above. In the quiet of the night, where the stars shine bright, Lady G is there with her heart so bright. A woman of honor with a love so true, holding her family, guiding them through. She cooks up dreams in her warm embrace. Every meal a story, every smile a grace. With hands of gold, she mends every tear. A chef, a healer, always showing care. In her kitchen, magic dances like light, creating solutions, making everything right. Oh, 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 Lady G.
of stars above, giving her heart, pouring out love. A mother, a partner, standing so tall with every smile.